I'm inviting you all to a pizza party tonight at Jennifer Aniston's house. I'll see you there.
Every time we're with Jennifer, something great happens because she's everybody loves Jennifer. And she'll text me and say, I know something, Wednesday night if you want. I'll be like, come on, we just did that Saturday thing. We don't have to do too.
She's busy all the time. I know she's the greatest host, but
she is a good.
I like
her parties are incredible in her house too.
Yeah, she does have good parties, and she makes good pizza as well.
She makes great pizza.
Wonderful pizza.
You've been to my house. We've had pizza. Do we love a pizza or what? We love a pizza. It's so much fun.
These circles of friends that you guys have. You told a story about going and having pizza at the Clooney's in Lake Como.
Yeah, that's all an Aniston thing. She's like, George and I would love you to come over for pizza, but you have to dress right.
How was the pizza? Was it good? Did he make it himself?
Pizza was better than Clooney's. They both made, everybody made a certain kind of pizza.
There's no pizza we didn't love.
Something that he does.
5 different kinds. 5 different kinds or 6 different kinds of pizza that night. Clooney's was excellent. Amal's was the winner.
Looks like you won't have to be delivering pizzas anymore, Deeds. You're a very rich man.
¿Hablan de pizzas o de otra cosa?
Delivering pizzas.